Hi, it's Allison from East Cobb Tutoring Center. We're going to integrate this function using partial fractions. So the first thing I'm going to do is rewrite this as the sum of two fractions with unknown numerators. So the first one is some fraction whose denominator is x minus 1, and the second one is some fraction whose denominator is x plus 2. All right, now what I'm going to do is multiply through to get rid of all the fractions. So 2x is equal to a times x plus 2. And so what I'm doing here, let me just clarify where the denominators went. I'm multiplying every single thing here by the quantity x minus 1, x plus 2. So when I do that, all of these denominators go. The x minus 1 goes from here, and the x plus 2 goes from here. And the stuff that doesn't cancel is what I'm left with. So then I have b with x minus 1. Now I can choose convenient numbers to solve for a and b. So the first convenient number I'm going to choose is x equals 1. The reason why I'm going to choose x equals 1 is because my b term is going to go to 0. So on the left-hand side, I'll have 2, and on the right-hand side, I'll have 3a. So that means that a is equal to 2/3. So we're going to hang on to that information for a minute. Oops, get rid of that long line. 2/3. Okay, and then the next convenient number is -2, because if I plug in -2, my a term will go to 0. So I'm going to get -4 on the left equals -3b. So b is equal to 4/3. Alrighty, so let's go back by substituting in the a and the b. All right, so a, which was 2/3, is going to look like this. 2/3, and then I have 1 over x minus 1. And then for the b term, I have 4/3, and my denominator was x plus 2. So now I'm ready to integrate. These are going to be natural log functions. So here comes my final answer. It's going to be 2/3 the natural log of x minus 1. Remember, natural log gets absolute value, plus 4/3 the natural log of x plus 2, also in absolute value, plus c.